Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today, I will be showing you how to make the $30 HAU light, but better. Because with this system, you can change the light to any color's temperature, as well as any color you'd like. Now we're going to get into the 3 items you will need to make this $30 key light for your YouTube videos. Starting off with the most important item, which is the Philips Whiz full color Wi-Fi LED light. What this light can do is change to any color temperature, as well as become any color you choose. It has different settings, different timing settings, and that's what makes it perfect. And the good thing is, it only costs $13 to $14. So right away, this is better than the Philips HUE lights, which you will normally see, which cost anywhere from $30 to $70, which is less than half of the cheapest option. Second to the light will be this strip right here. So what it does is connects the light here, screws in, plugs into the wall, and as well as you can flip a switch to turn it on and off if you don't choose to use the app itself. And this right here only costs $7 to $8. Last but not least, we have the paper lantern. So this paper lantern is what allows you to diffuse the light coming from the light bulb. It gives off that softbox look on your face, and it's not so harsh. It causes soft shadows, and that's what allows you to have a simple look. One thing to note about this whole setup, here's this, and the lantern with this, people will ask, how do you put it up and have it at the correct angle? So now I'm going to show you how I set mine up by just using my ceiling fan. And if that is not a good way for you to do it, then this right here does come with hooks, which you could put in your actual ceiling to have a designated spot to hook this down with this attached so you can film yourself. Here you see the $30 light hanging, and it's hanging right from my ceiling fan, and it's not a heavy setup, so it won't damage the fan. I have it plugged into the wall, and then as you see, this is where I normally sit on my desk, and then have the light shining on the left side of my face, or the right, depending where I place it on the fan, but this is perfect for me, and it's only 30 bucks. So guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video on how to cheaply get yourself a YouTube light, which you can see I'm letting myself right now with. So it's only $30, and you only have to shop on Amazon and Home Depot. These would be the 2 spots to get these items, and I will link them all in the description below. They're not affiliate links. Just go ahead and click on them, buy them, and there you will be able to get this set up. It's super cheap and better than HAU's. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.